If you're looking for great options for a walking pad treadmill for home or office, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. Let's take a look at this awesome walking pad treadmill. It's got a great range, a low profile, and you're going to love the details. Let's check it out. People generally get a walking pad treadmill like this because they want to get it out, do their exercise, and then put it away. One feature that's really great about this is it's got caster wheels on the front so that when you're putting it away, you don't have to worry about scratching up your floor. It's got a power switch right down here. You'll turn that on. It's got a remote with super easy controls, play, pause, up and down. It's got a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, but let's stop talking about details. Let's go for a walk. You'll push the play button. It gives you a little beep countdown, and here we go. It starts you off at a default of 0.6 miles per hour. So this is what 0.6 looks like. This is what 1.2 miles per hour looks like. This is what 2.4 miles per hour looks like. And then 3.8 is a little bit tricky. It's either a power walk, it can also be a light jog. If I were to push pause, it slows down gradually. And then when I push play again, it starts out at 0.6. So here I am walking at a comfortable 1 mile per hour. One more detail I want to tell you about is the screen. So a lot of these walking pad treadmills have scrolling screens where you have to look at just the right time to see your speed, distance, or time. This particular walking pad treadmill displays all 4 of those metrics at the same time. So when you're in the zone and you're curious about your stats and where you are in your workout, you don't have to worry about your timing, about when you can glance. You can look down and find the information that you're wanting, easy as can be. So that's about it. I've tried quite a few walking pad treadmills. This one's got great balance, good, sturdy feel to it. Definitely recommend.